second best method to make money with QR code is called drop servicing. Drop servicing is a model of business where you sell digital services to clients and outsource the work to freelancers or agencies or contractors rather than doing it yourself. But right now on this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this task yourself without outsourcing it to any freelancer or agencies and keep all the money to yourself. Very simple, easy, and it's free. So if you come to freelancer.com, search for QR code on the search bar and hit enter, you will see so many people who are offering these QR code gigs, and you see how much they are all making. So them charge between $10 to $5 to create QR code for people on Fiverr.com. So this person have over 1,000 orders, and this also over $1,000, charging $10 per QR code they sell. And they have made over $5,000 to $10,000 by just selling QR code on Fiverr.com. You scroll down to these gigs, you will see that so many people have made over $10,000, $5,000, even $15,000 to $20,000 just selling QR code on Fiverr.com. And with the method I'm going to show you today, you don't even need any technical training or any technical know-how. Within 5 to 10 seconds, you'll be able to create your own professional QR code and sell on Fiverr. To start with this, I want you to come to QRCodeGenerator.com. QR Code Generator is a free website where you can create amazing QR code for businesses, individual social media platforms, and websites. If you scroll down, you will see you can create QR code for business cards, flyers, brochures, and etc. They will all look so amazing, and all these are for free. Now, to show you how powerful this website is, you can create a QR code for your website vCard to save your digital IDs, text for emails, PDF files, to save your Facebook IDs, your Twitter IDs, to even request for Bitcoin payment, and to save images. Now, to get started, I want you to sign up to this website by using the sign up button here. Once you have done that, log in and you will be brought to this page. Now, for example, create a QR code for Technomy TV. So all you need to do is to come up here, copy the URL of this channel, back to QR Code Generator, then click on this option here, website. Enter the option website, you click on next and place the YouTube channel link here and click next. Up to this page, as you can see, this is our QR code right now. So you can also customize this QR code by changing the frame. As you can see this, you can also look at this. There are several options you can choose here, but I think I like this one. I will stick with this. Then you can also change the frame color, maybe to the theme color of your website or your YouTube channel. For me, I will change it to red to match with my YouTube channel color. Okay, this will be good. You can also change the QR code how it looks. Like you can see from here, you can change it to any style you want. There are several styles here, but I think I will prefer this. I will stick with this one here. Then most importantly, you can also add your logo inside the QR code. All you just need to do is to click upload and insert your logo on it. The logo of my YouTube channel on this QR code right now, and it looks so beautiful and amazing, and all these are for free. So the next thing you need to do, just click download to download your barcode. Now this is the barcode you just made and downloaded. You can go ahead and scan it and tell me on the comment section if it works. Now you know how to create a beautiful QR code with this website, all just for free. So to earn money with this QR code, all you need to do is to come to Fiverr create account on Fiverr if you don't have any. Create a QR code gift related to all this you can see here. Offer your services to hundreds to thousands of people on Fiverr and make a lot of money from this. You can charge $5, $10 to $50 for your QR code services on Fiverr.com and make up to $800 to $1,000 from selling QR codes on Fiverr.com. If you want me to create more video on how to make money on QR code, just let me know from the comment section below. To show that you support what we do here, please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video so I can reach out to so many people out there, and see you on my next video. Thank you.